Hello everyone and welcome to a quick video just giving you an overview of this course. I will try to make videos for each week after week one, which will get into the specific assignments and what the expectations are. But this video here is a quick little introduction to the whole course just to give you some overview and general expectations with discussions, assignments, things of that nature. So as you're aware, you'll have your introductory documents here in the welcome area, your syllabus, supplemental syllabus, expectations, tracking calendar, all those kind of goodies are all housed in that welcome start here section. My information, contact information is in there as well. My email is in there. That is really the best way to get a hold of me. I can get back to you fairly quickly with that. If you need to have a one-on-one sit-down, we can set up a Google Meet or some kind of virtual meeting if we need to get down to some more specifics. About 95% of the time, most questions can be answered via email, but most certainly can do whatever is best for all of you, okay? In the week section, you get into the assignments and things that are due each particular week. So for week one, we'll start with. And this one here is just really a half a week of full-time work. So you're just kind of getting introduced to your classmates with your discussion area here, explaining your career goals, introducing yourself to your classmates, just putting kind of a personality with the name that we have, picture if possible would be great. And basically your just some feedback on resumes and cover letters, why it is important to revise those throughout your career. So just some introductory items that are going to help us meet each other and get an idea of what's going on for the whole session here. You also have an introductory quiz to do. Use your documents, use your resources while taking that quiz to help you do well on that and get your grade off to a good start. Okay, your lecture for week one is about the career theorist. That will set you up for next week in week two, because week two, when you go there, the discussion revolves around those career theorists. Okay, so you need to refer back to those discussion from week one. Week's two lecture is about providing feedback, which is something you'll use all session long and moving forward, and probably other sessions and throughout life, just how to receive and how to give feedback in proper manners and to be productive with that. Okay, so I'll get more into the assignments of specific weeks as we go. As I said, I just want to give you a general overview. So when you get through week two, the rest of the discussions are going to be revolving around steps in creating your resume, your cover letter, and your elevator speech. So weeks 3, 4, 5 are all revolving around parts of your resume. So by the time you're done with week 5, you basically combine all that work you've done in the discussion areas, and you will have a completed resume. Okay, and then you have a cover letter section shared in week 6, elevator in week 7, and by the time you walk out of this course in week 7.5, you reflect back, you're going to have a lot of your employment documents ready to go when you hit the employment field. Okay, your next courses will continue to evolve those assignments, but that is the game plan for this course. So when we get to discussions, one big thing to do here after week 1, because week 1's just a half a week, so week 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, you need to post your initial post in your discussion by Wednesday. Okay, a couple reasons why. One, it gives the rest of the class time to give comments on your post, and that is how you're going to improve upon your resume. So you're going to post your initial thoughts for week 3 about how your contact information and objective statement should look. Your classmates will make comments and constructive criticism based on their feedback skills they learned the week before. Myself, the facilitator, will do the same thing. And so when you submit your resume work for that week, you should be spot on. You should be good to go. And that's going to help you, one, with your grade. So when you actually submit your resume work each week, it should be top of the line because you've had it analyzed and critiqued throughout the week. Okay, and also if I'm going to make comments on anyone else who's going to make comments on it, you want to be able to get that by Wednesday so that you have time to actually turn in the assignment. If you don't turn in your discussion until Saturday, you're not going to get comments from people, myself, and what you turn in is what you're going to turn in. And unfortunately, the grade might not reflect what you really want on that, okay? So 2 things. If you don't have a discussion post, your initial post by Wednesday, that's going to affect your discussion grade and also the assignment grade that week. So it's very important we get that in and get in the habit of getting that in on Wednesday. And I'll continue to remind you on that. That is a big thing. So as we said, take it a week at a time. I will add other videos each week breaking down exactly what happens each week as far as assignments go. But wish you luck. Communication is key. Let me know if you have any concerns early on. Keep those discussions posts coming early on as well. And good luck this course. Thank you.